So there she is. Let's get inside the car and I'll show you exactly what the problem is. So yeah guys, so the gearbox issue was I couldn't put reverse gear properly. Initially how the problem started was while engaging the reverse gear, you used to get a loud grinding noise from the gearbox. It used to be really loud while engaging the reverse gear, and the solution, the temporary fix I had for that was just double depress the clutch and then place the gear in reverse, and that solved the problem for a while. And but what happened later after a few months was that the first and second gear started becoming very hard. You just couldn't place the first and second gear, and the clutch started become very hard as well. So this was a big issue. So I then take the car to the authorized Hyundai dealership in Marthandam, and the service advisor gets into my car and he checks the clutch, he checks the gearbox and says there is an issue with it. And he says you need to change the master clutch cylinder, the slave cylinder, and also the clutch plates, and all that costs 22,000 rupees. So I asked the service advisor, is it possible just to change the master cylinder and see if the problem gets solved? You don't have to change everything to rectify this issue. He's like, no, you need to change everything, and that's the only way you can solve this problem. I was still a bit skeptical, for the clutch plates to go and all the cylinders to be changed in such a short mileage. I mean, I just done 40,000 kilometers on this car. I think it was a bit drastic. So I take the car to an independent garage, and straight away they open the bonnet and they check the first clutch master cylinder, which is right here. See this thing here? This thing is the clutch master cylinder. They check for any leakage here, and rightly so, there was a leak from this point. There's a leak coming out from here, and what he suggested is just change this master clutch cylinder first, and let's see if the problem gets rectified. To also ensure that there's no air inside the brake fluid, they bled the brake fluid lines. There's also a slave cylinder somewhere around here, down here. He checked for leakage there also, but there wasn't any leakage. See, this is the part number of the master clutch cylinder, 4,555 rupees. You also get an aftermarket part, that is a duplicate of this, that costs around 2,777 rupees. But I'd recommend to get always the OEM part while you replace parts in your cars. So guys, this is what the master clutch cylinder looks like. Okay, this is the old part that I replaced. So after they replaced the master clutch cylinder and they bled the brake fluid line. So just for 4,555 rupees for the cylinder and 300 rupees for labor, the issue got solved. But whereas when I went to the authorized showroom in Marthandam, they asked me to pay 22,000 rupees. So as you can see, Hyundai dealerships are taking the customers for a ride when it comes to after sales service. They don't really provide stellar services anyways, even for general service. That's why I usually do the oil changes and small services myself on my car. I would suggest people also to get an outside opinion from a third independent garage whenever you go to replace something or whenever you have an issue with the car. Don't trust authorized showrooms blindly, because they fail to build a relationship with the customer, and they don't want to try and solve the issue to benefit us. They only see benefit on their side. They just want to earn money quickly, which I think is a wrong attitude these days. They really need to build a good relationship with the customer, so that the relationship lasts long and they can also trust in the brand. But this is not the case in India, because dealerships are always out to make a quick buck. They just try to fool you by asking you to change parts that are not necessary. So always guys, always remember to take opinion from an independent garage as well before you take your car in to an authorized dealership, because 9 out of 10 times they're going to swindle you. They're trying to swindle money from you. So be careful, guys. So guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. So guys, if you did find the video useful, please do share, subscribe and like. Thanks.